In today's video, I will walk you through how to use hatch arc in AutoCAD. To create a hatch pattern inside an arc area in AutoCAD, start by typing H and press Enter to activate the hatch command. Next, select the hatch pattern you want to use. Click inside the closed arc area where you want to apply the hatch. AutoCAD will detect the boundary and place the hatch pattern inside the selected area. You can adjust the hatch settings if needed, then confirm the selection to apply the hatch. The hatch tool is useful when you need to add patterns or fills to closed areas in your drawings. It helps highlight sections and makes different areas easier to identify, especially when working with curved boundaries and detailed designs. You can repeat the same process for other arc-shaped areas. Activate the hatch command, choose the pattern, select the enclosed area, and apply the hatch. When you are finished creating the hatch, press Enter to end the command. And that's how to use hatch arc in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching the video.